Saurabh, you've got a really interesting product that you came here to Build Day with. Tell us about it.
My product is basically a personalized cooking agent where a user can actually keep your phone aside. They will ask the agent, I want to cook something else today. And if they have, for example, they can feed the inventory in the app itself, and that app will suggest what to cook today for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And basically, the agent is not about just inventory management and suggesting food. It basically just tell you at which step what to do exactly, and also interact with you. Suppose, for example, if you ask product when to flip the omelette, it will directly go to that step and will show you how to do that. And it can also import the YouTube videos, the recipes videos, and it has an ability to understand the temporal grounding, everything throughout the YouTube video, what exactly happening, where exactly, what step it's on, and then that's it.
So when you were building this, what was the hardest technical challenge that you faced?
The voice agent basically has the main problem in all the voice agent is the noise, when to stop, when to interact, when to respond. So that's was the challenge for me. And then I came up with the ElevenLabs, and also Gemini has the bi-directional voice functionality. And then I implemented it, but the challenge was how to reduce the noise and when the agent will respond to the user's questions. So that was the challenging part. Then I built out Python libraries, and it basically compresses the audio, and also that is the technical part, but it understands when to respond when the user is interrupt the conversation, and then again it understands the previous conversation, and then it will respond on that.
And how are you using Stripe in this implementation?
Basically, I'm using it for the usage-based pricing. So for a consumer, for example, they will subscribe for a subscription, and then will charge some fixed amount. And for example, they want something more, than I'm using a hybrid approach here. So they will get charged based on their usage and how many recipes they will add, how much time they spent on an app.
Now you came here to Build Day in Dublin today. What problem did you come with, and what problems have you managed to solve?
Mostly the pricing structure and the business model. So product is already built. I talked with other founders as well, how they are integrating the Stripe in their workflow. So I talked with the other Stripe developers, experts, and they suggested me to use the hybrid model. So that's where I'm going to, my goal is to integrate Stripe, hybrid model, fixed price, and usage-based pricing.
Well, thanks so much for coming here to Build Day today and sharing with us what you've built.